This is a really fun playlist to help students with maybe some type of cycle. So right here, we're using the water cycle, and in the center, we put the image of the water cycle. And then the students are going to go through these different activities to work on the water cycle. So first, they're going to watch an Edpuzzle video, and then they're going to do a quick mini lesson. Then they're going to complete this Edu protocol, which is Curious Creator, where they're looking at the water cycle and they're making predictions. They're looking at any of these words that they might not know and writing them down. They're writing what they've noticed and what they wonder. And then they're asking these 3 different types of questions. What questions could they ask that the answer might be right here? What question might be between the lines that might not be easy to find, but they might have to use maybe some inferencing? And then those critical thinking type questions that really involve problem solving. So then after the students complete that activity, they would go on and read a Newsela article and answer the questions. And then they can explore the Gizmo activity that has the water cycle built in. Once they do that, they're going to recreate the water cycle with this diagram that Eric Kurtz created. And then their final almost project is this design project where they have another choice board, and they're going to pick one of these activities to complete to show their knowledge of the water cycle. So they might do a book. There's 3 different options. They could do a pick their own and get it approved by the teacher, create a 3D model, do a Pechakucha, which is 20 slides in 15 seconds. So they would design all of the information for the water cycle, and then they would present it using Flipgrid. There might be some stop motion where they might use this template of the snowman and kind of use these different ideas to create their stop motion video. Or they might create a coaster. So lots of options for the students. And then once they're finished, they're just going to do a quick recall of what they learned with this sketch and tell. So they're going to sketch out the water cycle and then explain each of those different steps. So just a great way to kind of create a playlist for students using a cycle already in place.